Can a machine truly think? We see AI doing amazing things, but what if I told you it's all just a trick? Today, we're unraveling the truth behind AI's intelligence and why it'll never think like you. We live in a time when artificial intelligence is rapidly transforming the world. From self-driving cars and medical diagnostics to writing poems and generating artwork, AI seems to be doing things that once felt purely human. Some people are even starting to wonder, if AI can talk, create, learn, and solve problems, what makes it different from us? Why can't it actually think like a human being? To answer that, we need to understand what AI truly is beneath the surface. Despite how smart it may appear, artificial intelligence isn't conscious. It doesn't have thoughts, emotions, or awareness. What it does have is the ability to recognize patterns, extremely fast and at an enormous scale. AI models are trained on massive data sets, learning from billions of examples to make predictions. When an AI writes a sentence or paints a picture, it's not expressing ideas. It's calculating the most likely next word, the most probable pixel, or the best move, based entirely on what it's seen before. Think of it this way. You and I understand meaning. If I say I feel sad, you understand the emotion behind it. You can relate to it. An AI, on the other hand, can say the same words, but has no idea what sadness is. It's mimicking expression, not experiencing it. It doesn't know what it's doing, because knowing requires awareness, and AI doesn't have that. Even the most impressive AI models, like the ones generating music or writing entire essays, aren't thinking. They're operating without understanding. They have no beliefs, no desires, no goals of their own. It's like a mirror reflecting intelligence, without possessing any itself. That's the illusion of AI. It looks and sounds like it's thinking, but behind the scenes, it's just math and data running inside a machine. This is where the biggest difference lies between human intelligence and artificial intelligence. Our thoughts aren't just cold calculations. They're shaped by emotion, memory, and experience. We don't just react to input. We reflect on it. We form opinions, ask questions, and dream of things that have never existed. A human child can imagine a flying dragon or wonder what happens after death, not because someone programmed them to, but because they have a sense of self. They are aware that they exist. AI doesn't and can't do that. Not now and maybe not ever. You might be wondering, why don't we just build consciousness into machines? It's a fair question, but the problem is, we don't even fully understand how our own consciousness works. Neuroscience can track which parts of the brain light up when we think or feel, but we still can't explain the experience of being aware. It's one of the biggest mysteries in science and philosophy. Until we understand what consciousness really is, we can't recreate it. There are theories, of course. Some believe that consciousness is simply the result of complex information processing, meaning, one day, a powerful enough AI could become self-aware. Others believe it's something uniquely biological or even spiritual that machines will never possess. For now, all we know is that no AI has shown any real signs of consciousness, self-reflection, or emotion, only imitation. That doesn't mean AI isn't powerful. In fact, it's incredibly useful. It helps us solve problems faster, make better decisions, and automate repetitive tasks. It's revolutionizing industries from medicine to transportation, but it's still a tool. It's not a mind. It doesn't wonder who it is, what life means, or whether it's doing the right thing. It doesn't even know it exists. And that brings us back to the core of the question. Why can't AI think like you? Because thinking isn't just processing information. It's feeling, imagining, questioning, and being. You are not a machine. Your thoughts come from somewhere deeper, somewhere AI still can't reach. So the next time you see an AI chatbot writing a song or a digital assistant answering your question, remember, it might sound smart, it might seem alive, but behind the scenes, it's still just code, following patterns, not pondering purpose. AI is a powerful creation, but it's not conscious. Not yet. And maybe it never will be. Thanks for watching. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into tech, science, and the strange wonders of our universe.